Hello. In this video, I will show you how you can sign up as an artisan and start selling. Open the Tuzmo app and select Artisan. You can sign up from social login like Facebook, Google, or Apple, or through your own email address. If you are signing up through your own email, you need to click on the link received at your email address or type in 6-digit verification code received at your phone number. In the first step, upload a picture like this. Make sure your face is visible. Add your full name, phone number, WhatsApp number, and store email address. Click on the down arrow button to proceed. Here you need to upload photographs of your studio. You can add up to 10 photographs. Once done, click on the down arrow button at the bottom to proceed to the next step. Here, tell about your hobbies, what motivates you, and a little bit about your background. In the next step, tell us about your craftsmanship. What's special about it? Do you own the trademark? What inspires you to continue this heritage? Here, tell us how you learned these skills. How old were you when you mastered it? Who taught you these skills? Add a 2-minute video of you working. You can upload and edit your video elaborating your craftsmanship. In this next step, you can connect your social media accounts. You can skip this if you don't have your social media accounts in place and move towards the next step. On this screen, you will add your studio name. Add the physical address of your city while mentioning area, street number, shop, or studio number to help customers find you easily for store pickup. Add your city, postal code, and also the hours you operate in so that customers can visit or pick up their orders between that time. Once you have filled out the personal information and your studio details, you can go ahead and start adding your crafts that you want to display and sell on Tuzmo. In this video, I will show you how you can add crafts to display in your store. You can find your crafts by clicking on the store icon in the bottom nav bar. If you want to add a new craft, click on the plus icon in the bottom right corner. To add a new craft, you first need to take high-quality photos. It's preferred that you use a white background. Add the title and some description like its origin, specialties, etc. Click on the down arrow button at the bottom to proceed to the next step. Here it would be best if you type the exact width, length, and height, its weight in grams, color, and type of material used in it like clay, wood, metal, etc. Click on the category drop-down and select the most relevant category from the list. You can add your custom tags for better search results. In the next step, you need to select shipping methods. If you select Pickup, craft buyer will come to you and self-collect. Deliver to local address will require you to ship locally. The shipping charges will be reimbursed by Tuzmo. Ship to customer's home country will require you to ship the craft to the country selected by the customer. Again, shipping cost will be reimbursed to you after delivery. Add processing time and handling cost. It is the cost of packing and shipping the craft. In the final step, type in the number of crafts you have in the inventory right now, its price in dollars, an SKU number, and then add restock time to tell customers how long you require to create the craft in case you are out of stock. Click on Submit button, and your craft will be published on Tuzmo Marketplace after the review. Congratulations, you have successfully added your craft. It will be reviewed and published on Tuzmo Marketplace. Your store analytics like store views, store visits, orders, and total revenue will show up in the homepage. You can filter your store analytics to last week or month to get a better overview of what's happening. To see the list of orders you have received, click on Total Orders, where you can see all of your confirmed, pending, canceled, and out for delivery orders. If you want to withdraw your earnings, just simply click on the wallet icon at the bottom where you can see your total balance. Click on Withdraw, add the amount and destination account where you want your earnings. Add your account password and click on Confirm Withdrawal button to process your request. You will receive the amount in 10 minutes to up to 48 hours depending on your location and account type. Great! Now you can start selling your crafts on Tuzmo Marketplace. Thank you for watching this video. You can subscribe to our newsletter to receive updates happening into our platform.